Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by ensuring compatibility. SQL Developer version must support JDBC connections, and MySQL server should be reachable. Once done, download the MySQL connector/j, jar and point SQL Developer to that file under third-party JDBC drivers so it can talk to MySQL. Make sure the server IP, port 3306, and the database user are ready. This step enables the driver layer. Without it, SQL Developer cannot create a direct connection to MySQL, so install and register the jar now. Next, create the actual connection. Choose New Connection and select MySQL via JDBC. Enter a descriptive connection name, the server hostname or IP, port 3306, and the database user credentials. Pick the default schema to show. Click Test to verify connectivity. If it fails, add JDBC URL parameters such as server timezone equals UTC or use SSL equals false depending on your server. Save the connection once the test succeeds so you can reuse it. This config maps SQL Developer queries to the MySQL instance. Finally, open the saved connection, expand the schema tree, and launch a SQL worksheet to run queries or DDL statements. If you need to migrate Oracle objects or import/export data, use SQL Developer's migration and data pump tools after verifying privileges. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot by confirming the JDBC driver version matches MySQL. Ensuring the server's bind address allows remote connections, checking firewall rules and port 3306, and revalidating username and password. Adjusting server timezone or SSL options often resolves subtle failures.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.